Stay private and stress-free. Find a block list on Facebook and keep unwanted interaction away. But first, don't forget to save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to find block list on Facebook. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, launch the Facebook app on your device. Tap the three horizontal lines icon at the top right corner. Next, you would want to click on the Settings and Privacy. Again, tap on the Settings option. Here, look for the Audience and Visibility section. Tap the Blocking to access your block list. Can't find it? Use the search bar at the top of the setting page and type blocking. Once on the blocking page, you can see a list of people you have blocked. Tap the Unblock button next to their name to remove them from the list. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on the Unblock. You will need to wait 48 hours before reblocking the same person. Tap Add to the block list and search for a name and block a new people if needed. A confirmation message will appear again. Tap on the block to confirm your decision. So this is how to find block list on Facebook app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.